Minister A. Jayantakumar appeals for cooperation from all to include the Manipuri language among the Indian classical languages. Laibach Information Technology Private Limited launches local search engine website entitled Digital Manipur Info Service. And India ends its memorable run at the 21st Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast at the third sport, winning 66 medals including 26 gold, 20 silver and 20 bronze. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Art and Culture Minister Langpoglakpam Jayantakumar has appealed for cooperation from all the people of the state to include Manipuri language, which had already been included in the 8 schedules of the Indian Constitution among the Indian classical languages. The minister was speaking at the inaugural event of a 3-day seminar on classical language status in respect of Manipuri language, being organized by the Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation at State Guest House in Sanjintong today. Speaking on the occasion, the minister maintained that inherent philosophical ideas of the particular community is mandatory in order to achieve the goal. He said, classifying a language as a classical language of a country implies that the said community either possesses a rich history or has the potential to be so in the future. Jayantakumar said that the government will put all-out efforts for the inclusion of the Manipuri language in the classical language of India and that it is time for all to join hands to achieve the goal.
Classical language in have targeted criteria the yago say magi long uninterrupted antiquity masagile je matik use like the makil loan and the kilonana sig loan sigi behind that particular language matuda philosophy masaki philosophical ideas mayama yaw makil report community magi madu album thopa so na maki yaw ganin kale akui language classical language lay have na I say maduna indirectly mentori akoi se yam civilized tawba makli khunai mo oirami amasu oiri amasu oiningi amasu oigini and haiba makli gi potu dani bakui lakadoris.
Digital Manipur Info Service, a local search engine website of Manipur, was launched by Laibach Information Technology Private Limited at Hotel Yaifaba, Thangal Bazaar today. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Digital Manipur Laibach Information Technology Private Limited, Ahanthem Santos, said that the website was launched with an objective to provide easy access to information across the globe. He said that the local search engine will also provide information on schools, colleges and hotels in all the 16 districts of the state. High Court of Manipur has ordered the authority concerned to stop the appointment process of Battalion Commander of Home Guard following appointment of Battalion Commander against the rules and regulations of Manipur Home Guard. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, President of Manipur Home Guard Employees Welfare Association, Y. Mangi, said that Battalion Commander of Home Guard cannot be appointed as per Manipur Home Guard Rules 1996. He said the association filed a petition at the High Court after the government and the department concerned appointed battalion commander against the rule and for promoting to other posts against the rule. Mangi said the acting Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur issued the order following the petition.
Miyoi ahum battalion commander amasung thama da promotion ahum lok piriba mi ani battalion commander leite haibada kahaliba se masigi mari leinaba file sarkar gi respondent oiba chief secretary commandant general home guard amasung commandant home guard na ahum sina na khoina karamaina haukibano karama maungda hapubano ek and rule the yawi yaudi hairi basigi asumba pakhum mama chayol mari gi manung da pira u haidana rai mata adu ngasi home guard sing sigi promotion pibada amadi atopa thabak atei mayamam tawbada tongan ba favoritism nepotism pick and choose the Satanaba, Marilene Punamukta, Hijeri.
Moirang Block Congress Committee has alleged Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra of misusing the public ground. Speaking to media person at a press meet at Moirang Block House, General Secretary M. Sadat stated that the committee supports any developmental activities taken up for the community. However, clearing of land at Chongi ground, which is shared and utilized by the inhabitants of the community, is undesirable. On the other hand, he also urged distribution of commodities under National Food Security Act at the earliest.
Level TV, Hauji, Panbiriba, Maram Kendri, on the Mele, Seri P. Chandra Singagi, Mijang Makada, to then Kunting, Mugi, Tabuchatripa, Shibudi, Maram Block Congress Committee, Tukimatic, Harau Tayamba, Nungai, Tabuchatripa, Adu, Turin, Kunting, when Sigi, Minda, Morangi, Singay ground, Matam Piagi, Mamangagi, ground, Sisanga to the Tamaba, Adunava, Senabak Sing, Sibu, Kotokle Haraga. Prepare Amadi JCB Ama season Narga, Tenabaxing, Sikotoke, Haraganda, Turin, Kumbanda, Haibudi Tabu season MC, Masimadi, Morang Block Congress Committee, Magadi, Masimadi, Equi, Yaninjadi.
SEAN Asian and Beyond welcome adventurous overland team who will be heading on road trip. Road to London 2018 at Classic Grand today. Speaking to media person at a press meet at Hotel Classic Grand, Director of Tourism Authority of Thailand, Ishra Stapana said appeal to the people of the state to come and explore the Thailand. One of the participants, Sanjay Madan, informed that the team will set off their journey from Imphal. He said 30 participants, including 11 women, will on the caravan trip of 15 vehicles and will cover 1,600 kilometers in 49 days. Responding to media queries, Sanjay said that the main reason to set off their journey from Imphal is to explore the culture and cuisines of northeastern states and to experience Southeast countries. Chief Minister Nongthom Birane will reflect off the theme from Hotel Classic Grand tomorrow.
In case of any emergency, our local guide is completely equipped with the details of the hospitals and the service centers, both, because in case of any breakdown also, in case of any accident, minor accident, in case we need medical attention or anything else, we'll be able to provide them as soon as possible.
It's opened again, but we feel this route, the one we are taking, is culturally there is more to offer. It is there's more to see and more to experience, especially when you, I think for most people, even in this group, I think I can safely assume that it's their first trip to the northeast of India.
Dalit Sahitya Academy in a press release stated that Dalit Sahitya Academy DSA has distributed awards at Manipur Press Club in connection with the month-long 127th birth anniversary observance of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar today. The awards were distributed to 58 persons who excels in different fields. Thaunawjam Nodia Chan were also among the awardees, and the book entitled Lairen Taret by Mahendra Kumar was also released on this occasion. A poetry recitation was also held at the event. Manfit Run 2018 on the theme Pollution-Free Manipur was flagged off from Kangla today. The event was organized by Manfit 2018 team of Manipur Institute of Management Studies. Students and faculties of the university planted tree saplings on Manipur University campus as a part of the event. Coordinator of Standing Committee of Proscribed Group Maoist Communist Party Manipur, Khongyan Mangan, in a press release has asserted that the party will supervise the changing atmosphere of Manipur University. The party appealed to the Manipur University Teachers Association, MUTA, research scholars and the students' unions of the university not to get involved in any construction contracts. They also appealed the CSOs and underground outfits not to pose a threat to teaching faculties of government educational institutions, including against a failure to get construction contract deals, and not to pose a threat to private schools in connection to extortion of money. However, the party will support if they are against any commercialized private schools. He further urged the intellectual to hold discourses in a dignified manner and maintain that the organization will confront both government and revolutionary groups and institutions equally if the need arises. He appealed all concerned authorities to progressively move forward in the right path. The 100-hour assistant yoga teachers training camp organized by Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti Imphal West at Flash Mandap, Wahingbam Laikai concluded today. Certificates were also distributed to 100 participants at the training course launched on April 1st. Singjamai Apunba Nupi Loop in a press release stated that the Loop OC of Singjamai Police Station along with the members of both parties who were involved in an accident on April 12, namely an escort of Kerau MLA and Dr. KH Romeo of RIMS, have resolved the issues regarding the incident in a joint meeting yesterday. President of Shiv Sena State Unit M. Tombi has appealed to the state government to dredge Nambul River to reduce the probability of flash flood in Greater Imphal. M. Tombi was addressing media persons at Shiv Sena office in Babupara after inspecting the Imphal River stretch. He also lauded the efforts of the new government's dredging work being taken up at various places of Imphal River. Tombi asserted that if the cleaning work of Nambul River is not initiated on time, flash flood condition may aggravate in the coming years. He also appealed to the government to evict all the encroachers by the river banks without partiality.
Turen khunung ting mugi thabak se khoigi hanagi ising isaudu kohon mangangmani habidi thajaba wale Turen khunung gi dip se aruba si luthana kot khatlaga madugi leipak aduna Turen torban thongatba oiragadi madugi potugi mahidu sagadra adu hujiki leiba posidi Turen torban temthokpa aduga Turen torban do kaidana nabi leibak thonbado adumukti yamna phare adubo isingi bhalam se lakadorba khoigi ising isau singsida hana thokriba ising isau singsi Turen si luthahanba ma changmanina masiki Turen khunung si kitang dip kitang luthana ting thokpiba sungadra.
Mamata's Manipuri Dance and Music Center MMDMC Sagolban Kamnam Bazaar Soyam Leirak organized the second festival of Manipur folk song today. The festival, organized under the aegis of Sangeet Nathak Academy, New Delhi, was held at Patsoi Part 2, Makhalaikai Community Hall. Artists of the center presented different folk songs at the festival. Director of Art and Culture, MCAs Ngangom Uttam and State Kala awardee Laurembam Bedapati were among those present at the event. Lahui celebrated its 33 years of existence at Lahui Performance Space in Kawa Laifrakpam Laikai today. Addressing the media person, Lahui's artistic director Mayang Lambam Mangang Sana said, today's program is an initiative to honor their teachers. Students of Lahui performed Pena Famsak and Moirang Sai as a part of the event. Langathel Thoi News Thoibi Loi Kaba, a story book by folk singer Mangka Mayang Lambam, was also released on the occasion.
Yam boza sing di loina yam na lai hidre hojik hingori boza se am li e boza ahum kumba ngai sel e ando ngasi lengbi re boza ni su ge jamangi Padmasri ando langathil ima thoino merang sai sakpi ima se sahi marfudra suchala bani ngasi gi thoram se khogi kunthra ga humdarak suba laihui bo hoktorak ki bagi namit oijara ka sumar pung oino oja sing da
Mainly, I aim the Angang sing na Pava Nungai Zanaba, English Manipuri on the Oga, Manipuri do, the text message Hana but mine to Oga, Hosagan make Papa so high and the Bangli Pato to Bangam, I'm so later. Angang the aim to the most eggy books the book that they get out of and Angang dum pamakpado Moirang Saigi story books dum learning bhai tare khoi folktale myam se smarna story book on thora agadi nungai ni na wakhanda aina likes e bahogibane.
Young Generation Philanthropy Club Fundray in a press release announced the entry of any heavy vehicles on the road from Khongjom police station to Fundray village is banned from April 16th. The club has also appealed the concerned authority and the local MLA to repair the road before the onset of monsoon. Pisatau Construction, a construction company recognized by Tata Steel, observed its third foundation day at the company's conference hall at Khurai Sazor Laikai today. Former director of LDA Thokchom Manihar, executive engineer of Jenims Moirangthem Ibo Hanbi, and assistant engineer of PDA Ngangom Dilip were among those present at the event. A training program on construction work was also held as a part of the foundation day. Shamrock Woodstock School, Chingmei Rom, celebrated its second foundation day at Imphal Hotel today. Students of the school presented their talents during the celebration. Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSPDCL in a press release said that there will be no power supply at the areas covered by DC feeder 33/11 kV Iroisemba substation, namely Lamboy Khongnangkhong, Iroisemba, Samusang and Nauranthong Kulen Laikai on April 16 from 11 AM until 3 PM for installation of 110 kVA DTR at Iroisemba Hill Foot near Forest Beat. Director of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, A.L. Upendro Sharma, has released the CD of instrumental violin volume number 2 of violinist Kundrakpam Ramesh Kumar entitled Shurgi Laichal, produced by Kundrakpam Production at the event held at Ima Panthoibi Shangle, Thangmaiban today. Many renowned music teachers and music lovers attended the event. Protection Officer of Department of Social Welfare Imphal East, Shushma Ilangbam, in a press release notified that a girl child not identified as baby Suhana, aged 4 years, was found abandoned at Hatta Golapati, Imphal East on March 13 by the locals. After interrogation, the girl disclosed that she is the daughter of Juma Khan and Sumita from Madrasa. The department further stated that the girl is currently under the custody of Specialized Adoption Agency SAA Imphal East at Bal Bhavan Complex, Kumalam Park, and informed relatives to claim her from the office of SAA by providing relevant identification documents. Indian competitors have ended their campaign at the 21st Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, winning 66 medals, including 26 gold, 20 silver and 20 bronze medals. On the final day today, India won 7 medals, which include 1 gold, 4 silver and 2 bronze. The lone gold came in women's singles badminton, in which star shuttler P.V. Sindhu and Saina Nehwal were pitted against each other in the final. In a match started on equal footing, Saina's aggression and intensity quite literally wilted her compatriot. Saina won the high-pressure match in straight games 21-18, 23-21 that lasted an hour. Saina had earlier claimed the singles goals in the 2010 Delhi Games also. However, in the men's single final, world number 1 Srikanth let slip a strong start to lose in 3 games to Malaysian icon Lee Jong-wei, who claimed his 3rd individual goal in Commonwealth Games. Srikanth settled for the silver. In men's doubles also, Shadwick Ranki Reddy and Chirag Sethi claimed a silver, losing to English pair of Marcus Ellis and Chris Langridge. Another silver came in squash competition when the duo of Deepika Palilkar Karthik and Joshna Chinnappa lost to Joel King and Landis Murphy of New Zealand in women's doubles final. The 2 bronze medals were won in table tennis. In an All India affair, Manika Batra and Satyan Ganashekaran beat Achanta Sarat Kamal and Mohammad Das in 3 games in the mixed double match. In men's single, Achanta Sarat Kamal defeated Samuel Worker of England for the 2nd bronze. In the overall analysis, the Indian contingent will return with 66 medals, just 2 medals more than the total of 64 they won in the last games held in 2014 at Glasgow. But the gold medal tally of 26 this time is significantly higher than the figure of 15 won in the last edition. 11 days after spectacular opening, the games conclude with the closing ceremony, which is expected to be a fitting tribute to the remarkable athletic feats, extraordinary teamwork and community participation. Veteran boxer MC Mary Kom, who claimed gold on debut at the Commonwealth Games, is to be India's flag bearer at the closing ceremony. YAS and Water Resources Minister Lepau Haokip in the press release has congratulated MC Mary Kom at her maiden gold medal in the Commonwealth Games at Gold Coast, Australia. Uniforms were distributed to the athletes who will participate at the upcoming 8 Hockey India Junior Men and Women National Championship A Division to be held in Bhopal. The distribution ceremony, sponsored by Chairman of Manipur Building and Others Construction Welfare Board, was held at Khuman Lampak Hockey Stadium today. Chairman of Manipur Building and Others Construction Welfare Board S.H. Biswarjit, President of Manipur Hockey Basudeva, Secretary S. Sunita and eminent personalities of the association attended the event. M. Puspa will be the captain, while N.G. Thabalaima and P.H. Nirmalata will be the team coach and the manager of 18 players of Manipur team in the Women Championship to be held from 20 to 28 of this month. On the other hand, in the upcoming Junior Men Championship to be held from 26th of April to 6th of May, M. Rinash and M. Prameshwar will lead the 18 players, including 4 reserve players from Manipur as the coach and the manager, respectively.
The mind of the night, Kiris Ray, Yogzerg, business business by Amlia in the Poshap collection to I say within your Pola.
Before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Minister L. Jayant Kumar appeals for cooperation from all to include Manipuri language among the Indian classical languages. Laybag Information Technology Private Limited launches a local search engine website entitled Digital Manipur Info Service. And India ends its memorable run at the 21st Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast at the 3rd sport, winning 66 medals including 26 gold, 20 silver and 20 bronze.